What's up, everyone? KianTrades here. I'm gonna show you guys the filters I use for unusual whales that helps me find the right trades and helps others on Twitter. So first things first, I want to give credit to Snorlax. He was the one who kind of assisted me on the type of alerts. Every day it does change, or every week it changes. You kind of want to um, you know, filter based on your personal preference, but this is what has been working for me. So obviously the first thing you want to do is click that, the sidebar tool, and it will kind of um it'll come out, and that way you can filter your own settings. Now I even have my filter as Snorlax because he was the one who helped me on this. So what I do is I have a premium range of 10,000, obviously 10,000 and up. I have a spot range of 0 to 50. Size range doesn't matter. I have the bids off, but I do turn it on it just in case throughout the day, just in case I want to see if anyone's selling um, a leg, or selling premium. I do have the ask, call, and puts on. Now for emojis, I have the bid side off. I have ETFs off. So I do turn this on throughout the day just to see what the put and call flow that comes in for SPY and QQQ. And I do have the volatility product off as well. So I don't really want to see VIX or VXX or all of that. It kind of gets too crazy. So you can definitely have another watch list for ETFs and volatility products. Expiries, I mean, I think it goes all the way to 2023. I don't have anything for 2024, 2025. So, if you want to just, make sure it's on that. DTE range 0 to infinity doesn't matter. The bid to ask range is 0 to 2. Volume range, nothing's changed. Open interest rate, nothing changed. Percent difference, 0 to 1. I do have volume greater than open interest because you always want to have that volume greater than open interest. And then next day, you want to see if that open interest has held and if that volume has been added or not for your thesis to be correct. And then out the money only, and then today's trade only. So those are the filters I use. So, for example of what I do, I'm looking at the flow, right? I'm looking at the flow. Obviously, like right now, nothing's really, popping up that really attracts my eye. Tesla, yes, you see, 2 or 3 consecutive call flows, but Tesla's, pretty wild, right? You'll get 303 calls sweeps coming, then all of a sudden you'll see 300 put sweeps coming. So Tesla is kind of, it's kind of hard to tell unless there's really something that catches my eye, right? So I mean, right now, I'll just refresh the page just in case, see if anything. Yeah, so I mean, there is a Rivian 41.5 call that's coming in. Yeah, I mean, nothing much has caught my eye. So this is what I do. If I see 3 or 4 of the same, orders, I mean, hopefully I can find one, from earlier. Like even this one, right? I think Asml. Yeah, so these attract my eye, right? You have consecutive orders of 510 calls for March 2023. So what I'll do, I'll even type up ASML on the filter tickers. And as you can see, I mean, this is a huge bullish bet on ASML for March 2023. They're targeting the 510 call for March. They ask at 42.2, and obviously a lot of call premium is coming in. If you want to see the actual contract, you can click that expiration. You can see that $1.2 million worth is coming in to this trade. So yeah, that's basically how I analyze the flow. Pretty simple, nothing crazy. So hopefully that helps you guys. Thanks.